Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to talk about what to do if you were actually selected in diversity visa lottery, because many of you guys are asking me, and actually you guys requested this video, so let's do this. If you were selected in diversity visa lottery, first of all, congratulations. Second of all, two things. If you are in the United States, it's a different filing than if you are outside of the United States, okay? And so if you are currently in the United States, what you're gonna do, you're going to actually put together the paperwork, the package, and then you're also going to file I-485 form. Now, if you are outside the United States, you're going to file DS-260, okay? Now, you need a supporting documentation, and here I have a note, so I'm going to be reading my notes. But basically, you're going to need to follow instructions from the official source, and also if you were selected, you receive instructions upon when you find out that you are selected. You should be able to receive the instructions, because the only way to check if you were selected is by actually using the confirmation number, okay? They don't send out any paperwork like in old days they used to. So these days you have to check yourself by putting the confirmation number and seeing if you were selected or not. Now, it's called Diversity Visa Lottery 2019 because it's for the fiscal year 2019, okay? And so very important to note, you have to claim this green card by applying for this green card, okay? Even though you were selected, because if you don't, you're not gonna get it. And the latest day is September 30th in the fiscal year when the green card is applying to. So in your case, if you were selected in May 2018, that is going to be September 2019. And if you don't do that, if you don't claim your green card, if you don't apply for this green card, you're going to lose it. And so make sure to really follow the instructions very carefully. Okay, so what is the list, the checklist of things you need to do, you need to file together with your application? So 2 passport style photos, copy of birth certificate, copy of passport page with non-immigrant visa if applicable, okay? So if you are in the United States, that's what you're gonna do. Copy of passport page with admission entry or parole stamp if applicable. For example, maybe you are on the parole, the entrepreneur parole rule. If that is applicable, then you have to include a copy. Then Form I-94, which is the arrival card. You know already what that is. Again, this applies to people who are already in the United States. Certified copies of court records if individual has been arrested. Copy of a principal applicant selection letter for diversity visa lottery from Department of State. So this is something that you receive when you were selected, okay? So you need to include this official letter. If you haven't received any, then you probably were not selected. Also, you're going to include the copy of receipt for diversity visa lottery processing fee, okay? So you have to pay the fee, guys. And you need to pay the fee before you actually apply, okay? Because some people ask me, should I pay the fee after? No, you pay the fee before. If you want to be processed in this application, you have to pay the fee before. And then also, if applicable, you can file the form I-601, which is in rare occasions application for waiver of ground of inadmissibility, and like I said, the applicable fees, okay? That's what you're going to do if you are in the United States. Also, what you need to do is actually the report of medical examination and vaccination record. And sometimes people ask me if this is something that you need to do if you need to get vaccinated. Yes, you do need to get vaccinated, and there is actually a list of physicians in your country or United States that is going to actually issue such a report, okay? And it's going to be sealed report from medical professional physician confirming that you're good to go. So this is what you gotta do. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave them below. And for those who were not selected, don't worry, guys. I actually have Plan B for you. And I call it Plan B. Obviously, it's not as straightforward as diversity visa green card lottery, but it certainly helps. For those people who want to move to the United States and start a business, I do have a live webinar coming up on Wednesday where I'm going to talk about how you can actually start your own business and how you can live in the United States without the green card, and eventually how you can actually go from this E2 visa to a green card. So make sure to sign up for my webinar. The link is going to be below this video. And if you do have additional questions, comments, please leave them below. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.